everybody, it's me, Allie, and today I'm actually going to be editing the video while Brendan is outside doing his thing. So in the comments down below, let me know how you guys think that I did.
Alright everybody, while Brendan is losing his retirement, we're gonna make a TikTok! Dude, fuck Carnival. Carnival, if you're listening, Carnival Cruise Lines. Bitch! I'm scared to put hot water in there because I don't want it to melt the thing. This is a huge risk. Just like that. Just make sure it doesn't spill over into the bathrooms. I really want one.
Get the top left, top, no. Oh, this one's nice.
No.
Or that one's nice.
Yeah, but it says Tractor Supply on it. I don't own any
They
tractors.
all do.
I don't. Yeah, but I don't own Tractor Supply stock, so it wouldn't be right. What are those? They look like chicken toads. Wow. More ducks, Katie. Look. Well, as you guys can see, actually you can't see anything yet, but we're building a pond for Jerry. Jerry, quiet down, we're building a pond for you. This is, like, see where that wood block is? At the bottom of that wood block is how deep it's gonna be. It stretches all the way around to here. Goes from here. There'll be a waterfall right there. And we're gonna do like a bunch of cool stuff with it, but we're gonna probably put fish in it. Frogs are gonna be in it. Are we gonna spend countless hours working on it? Yeah. Should I get some equipment for it? Yeah. But do I want to? No. Why? Corona. What? Wow. This is what Jerry's dealing with right now. Or there's a pool, but the pool right now is closed. So if you had a pond for him to hang out in, like it would be cool, yeah? Or yeah? So we gotta do it for my boy Jerry. Oh, I'm so scared. Stupid tree.
Hello, duckies. Hello, Savage. You look like you're doing a lot better. What say you? Hi. Hi. Monga. He doesn't care. Hi.
Good boy, good boy. Is it nap time, Monga?
Nap time, Monga. Nap time, Monga. Go under the blinkies. Good boy.
What are you thinking, Monga? Look what you did to the bed. Monga, what did you do to the bed? I'm outside building a pond, and you ate the bed, Monga. Why? He knows he's in trouble, too. Yeah, you're in trouble. Bad Monga. Bad Monga. At least it wasn't the pillow, huh? At least it wasn't the pillow or the projector or yet another keyboard. Oh, he's so sorry.